Mercury, an extreme and intriguing celestial body. Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun, is a world that defies the conventions of our understanding of the solar system. With a diameter of about 4,880 kilometers, it is only 1/400 kilometers larger than the Moon. Yet its unique characteristics make it a fascinating object of study for astronomers and scientists worldwide. Not only is this celestial body the smallest planet in our system, but it is also one of the most enigmatic, with a complex evolutionary history and an extreme environment that raise questions about the laws governing the formation and evolution of planets. Observations and space missions, a history of discoveries. Since ancient times, Mercury has captured the imagination of astronomers. The earliest observations date back to the ancient Greeks and Romans, who knew it as Hermes and Mercury, respectively. However, its features were poorly understood due to its proximity to the Sun, making it difficult to observe. Only with the advent of telescopes in the 17th century did astronomers begin to collect more detailed data, but it wasn't until the 20th century that we started to explore Mercury through space probes. Mariner 10, the first mission. The first mission to visit Mercury was Mariner 10, launched in 1974. This probe made 3 close flybys of the planet, revealing crucial details about its surface. Mariner 10 discovered that Mercury has a cratered surface similar to that of the Moon and provided the first high-resolution images of its terrain. Observations revealed a series of cliffs and other geological features, suggesting a geologically active past. Messenger, a flood of data. Following Mariner 10, the Messenger probe, launched in 2004, provided an unprecedented amount of data about Mercury. Entering orbit around the planet in 2011, Messenger explored the surface in detail, revealing new information about Mercury's chemical composition, geology, and thin atmosphere. Thanks to its sophisticated instruments, the probe discovered that the planet has a tenuous atmosphere primarily composed of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium, a unique feature compared to other rocky planets in the solar system. BepiColombo, the new frontier of exploration. The BepiColombo mission, launched on October 20, 2018, represents one of the most ambitious explorations of Mercury. Developed in collaboration between NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA, BepiColombo consists of 2 orbiters, the MPO, Mercury Planetary Orbiter, and MIO, Mercury Magnetospheric Orbiter. The mission's primary goal is to understand Mercury's evolutionary history, geological features, and magnetic field. Both orbiters will provide crucial data to answer fundamental questions about the planet's formation and its role within the solar system. Mercury's extreme temperatures and inhospitable paradise. One of the most fascinating aspects of Mercury is its ability to experience enormous temperature fluctuations. During the day, temperatures can reach up to 430 degrees, turning the planet's surface into a furnace. These extreme temperatures are due to Mercury's close proximity to the Sun and its lack of a significant atmosphere, which prevents temperature regulation. In contrast, at night, the temperature plummets to 170 degrees. This lack of thermal stability makes Mercury an inhospitable environment, lacking the conditions necessary for life as we know it. Unique rotation and orbit, a delicate balance. Mercury has a fractional resonance rotation, meaning it rotates 3 times on its axis for every 2 orbits around the Sun. This phenomenon creates a unique day-night cycle where one day lasts 176 Earth days, while a year lasts only 88 days. Mercury's slow rotation and peculiar orbit produce a completely different temporal experience compared to other planets. In fact, when the Sun rises on Mercury, it can remain visible for a long time before the planet completes a full rotation. Mercury's surface, a landscape of contrasts. Mercury's surface is primarily composed of dark porous rocks rich in rubidium. Although it may seem similar to the Moon, Mercury has a unique chemical composition. Images taken by the Messenger probe revealed craters, cliffs, and a landscape that tells the story of catastrophic impacts and volcanism. One of the most surprising aspects is the abundance of craters, some measuring hundreds of kilometers in diameter, a sign of a history of collisions with asteroids and comets. The enigma of the lack of natural satellites. Another unique characteristic of Mercury is its lack of a natural satellite. This peculiarity has sparked the interest of scientists, who have formulated various hypotheses. Some suggest that Mercury might have once been a satellite of Venus, but this theory remains debated. Its orbit, size, and chemical composition provide intriguing clues to understanding the evolution of planets in our solar system. The hidden treasure of diamonds. One of the most exciting discoveries about Mercury is the possibility that it contains diamonds. Recent studies by Yongjiang Xu and his team at the Center for High-Pressure Research and Technology in Beijing have shown that the planet has a high carbon content in the form of graphite. Under conditions of high pressure and temperature, this graphite may have transformed into diamond. Simulations have shown that carbon could have accumulated at a depth of 15 to 18 kilometers beneath the surface, forming a layer of pure diamonds. The implications of the discovery. This discovery is not only intriguing from a scientific point of view, but also has implications for our understanding of planetary formation and the evolution of the solar system. The diamonds present in Mercury's core and mantle could provide clues about the planet's history and the environmental conditions during its early stages of formation. If Mercury contains diamonds, it could become a research target for broader questions regarding the composition of planets and the processes that drive their evolution. Mercury continues to challenge our preconceptions and fascinate us with its extreme nature. Space missions have revealed only a part of its complexity. And with BepiColombo on the way, we expect to discover new details that could change our understanding of this celestial body. Mercury is a symbol of the wonders of the solar system, and its exploration not only enriches our scientific knowledge, but also brings us closer to understanding the fundamental forces that shaped our universe. As we continue to probe the mysteries of Mercury, the planet reminds us that despite the challenges, space exploration remains one of humanity's most exciting and promising adventures.